What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's get straight into this one. It's boiling hot, so I'm going to try and make it as quick as possible because I need to turn the fan on. So we've got the classic standard Nike sportswear box, which needs no introduction. On the label it says Nike Zoom Vomero 5. The colorway is black metallic silver. That's a bit odd because whatever. UK 10, US 11. Pause if you want to read the rest. The style code HV2527-002, and they're made in Indonesia. So we'll get straight into this pair. Bang. So we've got a pair of black and red, or crimson, whatever you want to call them, Vomero 5s. I love this pair, man. When this pair first dropped, I thought, oh my god, I have to get my hands on this pair. If I'm honest, anyone who knows me knows I don't like to pay retail, and I refuse to pay retail most of the time. So getting these under retail at the Nike sale was a very big W. I don't know why I'm talking like that. I'm not 12, but yeah, I love this pair so much. Lovely colorway, so simple yet so nice. I'll go through the colors and then I'll carry on talking about it. So the bottom, we've got that standard Vomero 5 sole. This one's a bit different because there's shiny here and then it's matte here. I haven't seen that before. And then it's got the red, just piece of plastic there, nothing else to it. The midsole is all black, the whole bit, literally everything, and then it's got a line of red, and then it says Nike Zoom is kind of etched in there. It also does say cushion on here. On the back, the plastic heel cup that we all love on all the Vomeros, or the Vomero 5s I should say. Then we've got a bit of suede with some 3M material, metallic. On the back we've got a silver, metallic silver embroidered swoosh, and then again we've got the 3M material. I hope it's 3M at least. I can never remember the name of this material, but yeah, we've got that there. It's kind of like a mesh, but it's not really mesh, it's more like a woven type material. Then we've got some, kind of like a leather, coated leather type material there. Then we've got the rubber that's always on the Vomero 5. Then again we've got that kind of coated leather feeling material, another kind of like a nubuck style material. There's so many different materials on this pair, I didn't even notice until I started reviewing it. Then again we've got that kind of nylon type material all on the toe box. The reason I bought this pair was actually because of that material, so you can wear them in the colder months. We've got suede, 2 lines of suede, and then we've got that kind of coated leather type nubuck all around the front with the 3M. On the tongue it's got just mesh, normal mesh tongue. Rope laces, which some Vomeros come with, some don't. If I'm honest, I don't really like the rope lace. It works on this pair a lot though, so I'll probably keep them. If I swap them out, I'll probably do a video. We've got 2 red lace loops, and then we've got like a 3M lace loop in the middle. Then we've got the label on the tongue which says Nike, then Vomero 5 in that red. On this side, quite plain, not much red, just a little bit there for the plastic from the bottom. And then that side's mainly kind of this off grey type color, and then black, and then metallic silver. And inside, as always, we've got the Bowerman series, which is actually on both insoles and are on nearly all Vomero 5s. But yeah, I really do really like this pair. Honestly, it's one of the best pairs of Vomeros I've got, and I've got a lot of Vomeros. If you're not new here, you understand how many Vomeros I've got. Honestly, man, keep the sales coming, Nike, keep the good colorways coming. I'd love to design some colorways, but yeah, this pair 10/10. in my opinion. Actually 10/10. They look so good on foot. If you wait a few moments, you'll see an on foot video of this pair. Obviously it will also be released separately. But yeah, got nothing more to say apart from like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the content, all the videos. Check out the TikTok, Instagram, all that good stuff. And take care, my people.